To get a cash advance from a Venmo credit card, you need to understand the process and requirements. First, you must have a Venmo credit card account and the Venmo app on your mobile device. Open the Venmo app and log into your account. Navigate to the Venmo credit card section, where you can find options related to your credit card. Look for the cash advance option, which may be listed under the card settings or transactions section. Before proceeding with the cash advance, review the terms and conditions, including the fees and interest rates associated with the transaction. Cash advances typically come with higher fees and interest rates compared to regular transactions. To initiate the cash advance, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and select the account you want to transfer the funds to. You can choose to transfer the funds to your Venmo account, bank account, or debit card. Review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and interest rates, and confirm the cash advance. The funds will be transferred to your chosen account, and you will receive a notification once the transaction is complete. It is essential to note that cash advances are subject to your available credit limit, and the interest will start accruing immediately. Make sure to repay the cash advance as soon as possible to avoid additional interest charges. As a best practice, use cash advances sparingly and only in emergency situations. It is also crucial to regularly review your credit card statement and pay your bills on time to maintain a healthy credit score. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions, you can get a cash advance from your Venmo credit card when needed. Remember to use this feature responsibly and make timely payments to avoid accumulating debt.